Microsoft has just slammed the door on a popular Windows 11 installation loophole. What does this mean for users looking to upgrade? In today's video, we're diving into Microsoft's latest move to close a loophole that allowed users to bypass Windows 11's strict hardware requirements. What does this new update mean for those trying to get the latest OS on their older PCs? Stay tuned as we break down the implications and explore alternative options. Before we start our video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel CryptIQ Tech and hit the bell icon for our upcoming videos. Let's get started. Microsoft blocks Windows 11 install loophole. Microsoft has stirred the tech community by patching a popular loophole that allowed users to install Windows 11 on PCs that didn't meet its stringent hardware requirements. This workaround had previously bypassed the TPM 2.0 chip requirement by tricking the OS setup file into recognizing the machine as a server. However, recent updates to the insider build of Windows now also require TPM 2.0 support for servers. While this change hasn't yet been rolled out to the standard Windows 11 builds, it's likely only a matter of time before it does. For those who had used this bypass method, this could mean facing a non-functional system with future updates. Despite this, alternatives still exist. Open-source utility Rufus offers another workaround for installing Windows 11 without TPM 2.0. It's doubtful Microsoft will be able to close every possible loophole, but their efforts are worth noting, even if it means less focus on adding new features or addressing other concerns. Procreates' bold move against generative AI. In an unexpected but bold decision, Procreate, a popular art app for iPad, has pledged never to integrate generative AI into its products. This commitment came directly from CEO Jason Kuda, who openly criticized generative AI in a video on the company's Twitter account. Procreate's stance is a significant move in the digital art world, especially given the growing concerns over AI tools that use artists' work without permission. By maintaining their position, Procreate has won considerable support from the digital artist community, who are increasingly wary of AI encroaching on their creative domains. This decision reflects a broader trend of artists and developers seeking to preserve the integrity of human creativity in an era where AI tools are becoming increasingly prevalent. AI controversial role in photography. There's a lot of buzz lately about technology's role in creative fields, especially when it comes to photography. The popular iPhone camera app Hey has recently rolled out a new feature called Process Zero. This feature is quite unique because it lets users take photos without any digital enhancements or image processing. It's like going back to the basics, just point, shoot, and capture the moment as it is. For those interested, this feature comes with a $20 annual subscription. The launch of Process Zero has sparked a debate among photography enthusiasts and professionals. Some people love the convenience and possibilities that technology brings to photography. They enjoy how editing software can transform a simple photo into something extraordinary with just a few clicks. However, others feel that too much technology can take away from the true essence of photography. They argue that photography should be about capturing reality, not creating something artificial. This new feature from Head highlights a clear divide between these two groups. On one side, you have those who are excited about all the new tools and techniques that modern technology offers. On the other side, there are purists who believe in sticking to the traditional ways of taking photos. They appreciate the raw, unfiltered look of a picture that hasn't been touched by technology. National Public Data confirms data breach. National Public Data (NPD) has finally confirmed a significant data breach, although the details remain somewhat murky. The data aggregator acknowledged a security incident, but the extent of the breach is still unclear. Reports had initially suggested that around 2.7 billion individuals' data was exposed. But further investigation revealed about 134 million unique email addresses were involved. NPD's official statement indicated that approximately 1.3 million people were affected, a number that seems inconsistent with the data leaks reported. Moreover, data privacy company Atlas discovered 272 million unique social security numbers among the leaked information, suggesting that many records might have belonged to deceased individuals. This confusion raises concerns about the effectiveness of NPD's data protection and the potential repercussions for those affected. The breach's impact is still unfolding and the full extent of the data compromise remains uncertain. Sponsor highlight: War Thunder. Before we dive back into the latest tech updates, let's take a moment to give a big shout-out to our sponsor, War Thunder. If you have not heard of it yet, War Thunder is an exciting and completely free-to-play game that puts you right in the middle of intense vehicular combat. What sets this game apart is its amazing historical accuracy. You get to control over 2,000 different vehicles, which include everything from fighter planes and powerful tanks to agile boats. One of the coolest features of War Thunder is the customization options. You're not just stuck with standard setups. You can tweak and modify your vehicles to fit your unique combat style. Whether you're fine-tuning your tank for better armor or adjusting your plane's weapons for precision strikes, the choices are extensive. The game offers a truly immersive experience, making you feel like you're part of real-world battles with its detailed graphics and realistic gameplay. Plus, War Thunder is available on multiple platforms, including PC, PlayStation, and Xbox. This means you can jump into the action no matter what gaming system you prefer. If you're new to War Thunder, clicking the link below will get you started and even reward you with some extra goodies just for signing up. Intel's upcoming Core Ultra 200 lineup leaks. Intel is set to launch its exciting new Core Ultra 200 series in October, and there's already a buzz about what's coming. The latest leaks have given us a peek into this upcoming lineup, which is expected to include 14 different models. Among these, we'll see 2 new additions to the Core Ultra 5 range, the Core Ultra 5235 and the Core Ultra 5225. These models are anticipated to offer some impressive performance boosts. But that's not all. The leaks also hint at the introduction of new Core Ultra 3 models. These will come with 8 cores, which might be split into 4 high-performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. This configuration is likely to enhance both the speed and energy efficiency of the CPUs. Although we don't have all the details yet, the Core Ultra 200 series is shaping up to be a significant upgrade for Intel's desktop processors. With a range of models to choose from, this lineup is designed to meet a variety of computing needs, whether you're into gaming, content creation, or everyday tasks. Raspberry Pi 5's new 2GB version. Raspberry Pi has recently unveiled a new, more affordable version of the Raspberry Pi 5, now available with 2GB of RAM. This updated model is a lighter and budget-friendly alternative to the previous 4GB version, which was priced at $60. The new 2GB version comes in at just $50, making it an attractive option for those looking to save a bit of money while still getting a capable mini PC. Despite the reduction in memory, the 2GB Raspberry Pi 5 retains the essential features that made the original model popular. It's ideal for handling basic computing tasks and projects like learning to code, building DIY electronics, or creating a home media center. The lower memory doesn't compromise its ability to perform these tasks effectively, making it a solid choice for users who don't need the extra RAM. This new version offers a great balance between cost and performance, particularly for hobbyists and educators who need an economical solution without sacrificing too much power. The decision to release a 2GB model opens up more possibilities for those on a tight budget or for applications where high memory isn't a critical factor. There has been some speculation about whether Raspberry Pi might introduce even lower memory versions in the future. While we don't have official news on that yet, the 2GB model currently provides a very good compromise between price and functionality. Zodak Zone pre-order is now open. The Zodak Zone has officially hit the pre-order phase after its exciting debut at CES. Priced at $800, this new handheld device runs on Windows and offers a high-performance gaming experience. It draws comparisons to the Steam Deck, particularly with its dual touchpads that provide a smooth gaming experience. What really stands out is its 120Hz OLED screen, which ensures vibrant visuals and smooth gameplay. The Zone also comes equipped with Hall Effect joysticks, which are designed to enhance precision and durability, making your gaming sessions more enjoyable. For those who like to capture their gaming moments or video chat with friends, it includes a selfie camera. Plus, it features a handy kickstand, so you can easily set it up for solo play or show off your games to others. The future of Fitbit, uncertain. Recent reports suggest that Fitbit may be phasing out its smartwatch production. Tech Radar's article indicated that Google might not produce any more Fitbit smartwatches. However, Google has contradicted this claim, though they did not provide clear details on future products. Last week, a senior director from Google's Pixel Wearables team mentioned that Fitbit will focus on trackers rather than smartwatches moving forward. This mixed messaging has left many confused about Fitbit's future direction and Google's overall strategy. Tesla is recruiting for Optimus trainers. Tesla is actively seeking workers to train its humanoid robot Optimus using motion capture suits. The company is looking for candidates who are fit in between 57 and 511, excluding larger or shorter individuals. The training process may require extensive data collection, potentially leading to repetitive strain injuries for the trainers. In contrast, a Chinese company, Unri, has developed a $166,000 robot capable of performing various tasks, including jumping, jogging, and flipping pancakes. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into the latest tech news. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crypt IQ Tech, for the latest information. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.